it, feeling in the way you do. You flash so elegantly, blended out with every stroke. You know, such an incredible freedom as a consequence. You're thrilling me into a state of
to unite and colonize space.